Well, we're going to come over a very respectable second here. And I bring to a halt just as the wash cycle comes to an end. Look at that.
It's cost me my manual that race. No, I ran over it. Sorry, I did it.
What did you turn it off?
I don't know, I've never used a washing machine. I've no idea.